Okay, today we're going to be mixing another form of glass ionomer. This is Fuji Plus. Okay, things to know about glass ionomer again is that it's very diverse. There are lots of different types. It's used for permanent cementation, pit and fissure sealants, liner, also as a restorative. Okay. Things to know about the material, again, there's it releases fluoride. There's glass in it. Of course, we talked about that before. We talked about how the spatula that you use kind of discolors the glass ionomer, the glass in the glass ionomer if you're using a metal spatula. Lots of times you'll see people using it. It's preference. It depends on where you're going to use it. But we're recommending that you use a plastic. But always, of course, go by the manufacturer's instructions. We're going to be mixing it for a luting for permanent cementation. Okay. Remember you're going to mix quickly. You always dispense the powder first, and you only dispense the liquid prior to using it, just right before mixing. The reason why you do that is because there's the content of water in the liquid. And you know, the evaporation affects the property, depends how much powder you put out, okay? So you always dispense the liquid just before you're getting ready to mix it. Again, on this one, it does say that you're going to mix 30 to 40 seconds. Again, it just varies, okay? The book says something else, but we're going by the manufacturers. This also comes in a capsule, which we'll be demoing again how to use. Okay. Okay. This you're going to see, it's going to be a little different. Okay. We have our, again, it's in a black bottle because of the evaporation, the water content. Okay. Fluff our powder. The difference here is that there's a small spoon and a large spoon. Okay. When you're mixing for the luting, it's going to be 1 large spoon to 3 drops. So this would be the large spoon to 3 drops for the luting. Okay. It also has a leveler here. Okay. So I get my powder, I level it off. Recap my powder. Now it's going to be 3 drops, and I know as soon as I dispense it, I have to get started. So it's 3 drops. 3. And this is 30 to 40 seconds. Again, I start off slow so that my powder doesn't go everywhere. Consistency is going to be creamy, or at least it's going to try to be creamy. I may have been a little short on my drop, but I'm not going to give up yet. I'm just going to keep going and see how it comes out. So I won't know until I mix it, incorporate it all, and I did get it. This is, again, is going to be room temperature, so the patient will sometimes feel the zing. Okay. Okay, there you go. I'll zoom in so you can see it. This one is not as creamy as the other one, but it still is creamy. You can see it flows. It's smooth. Okay, all right, let's stop it.